smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Just arriving at my departure terminal, taking you through duty free. Judging by the number of people coming through, it's fairly quiet.
Please hold on while the train is moving.
Coming into Damascus from Tent City. This is it. The day before it's all due to start. The day before it all starts. There's the bandstand where all the bands play. And everyone is slowly getting their stands together. Trail days. A misty evening. Vendors Car Park. This is the path from Tent City to get into town. Over the bridge and into town. This is the main strip. It's heating up. More and more people. Of the parade, it's misty in the hills.
By the way, we have chickens at home, but chickweed has the highest micronutrient content of any edible wild green. Vermont, I'm talking about your hat. Oh.
We might not have sort of. You guys just really fast. I'm so tired. You want me to be, but.
23.
These are the free showers. Unbelievable free showers. You do miss some of the scenes on the AT. One of the ones I really liked was the low cloud on the hills. Early morning, Sunday. People are slowly waking up, opening their tents, ready for the crowds. And on the Sunday, trail days closes down, the sun comes out, and everyone goes home.
With a quick mind, something about 1,000 pounds of bear, I'll make a tripping man frown. Ready? Hey, bear, I know you're tripping really bad out there, but I hope you don't take my dare, cause I don't wanna get eaten, don't wanna get eaten.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.